Cut the cabbage into small, bite-sized pieces. Julienne, the carrot. Slice the pork into 2 to 3 centimeter strips and season with salt and pepper. Bring a pot of water to a boil and cook the udon noodles about 9 minutes. Heat vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the pork and cook until the color changes. Add the carrot and cabbage and stir-fry until softened. Add the udon noodles and stir to combine. Then add Japanese sake, soy sauce, dashi powder, and stir-fry everything together. Serve in a bowl and top with bonito flakes.